Good morning everyone. It is with immense joy that I, Mallika, extend the day's greetings to all gathered here to honor a man to whom our freedom is indebted. Today, the 2nd of October, we celebrate the 152nd birth anniversary of the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Flowers are the music of the ground that infuses its aroma across the skies. I now invite our Principal, Reverend Father Anil D'Costa, Vice Principal Father Ravi Seravo, Father Lenson and coordinators to pay a floral tribute to Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you, fathers and coordinators. Said Gandhi ji, my life is my message. Let's turn back the pages of history and learn about the life of Gandhi through a PowerPoint presentation by Mrs. Soumya.
Every year on October 2nd, India celebrates Gandhi Jayanti to mark the birth anniversary of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. This year, as we commemorate his 152nd birth anniversary, let us take this opportunity to revisit the principles that he practiced throughout his life and led our country to attain independence. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was better known as Mahatma Gandhi or Bapuji, as lovingly called by children. He was given the title of Father of the Nation by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose for his relentless struggles for our independence. Gandhiji was born in Porbandar, Gujarat on October 2nd, 1869. When he was 24, he left India to pursue law in South Africa, where for the first time he encountered inequality due to his race and color. When he returned to India to practice law, he was appalled to see the injustice around him, which triggered his deep sense of doing justice. He always fought for what is right and participated in many non-violent civil rights movements and led many campaigns like Dandi March, Non-Cooperation Movement, Khilafat Movement and Quit India Movement. He also felt strongly about many unfair practices imposed by the British rule and fought against racism, discriminating against people by claiming them as untouchables and many such societal inequalities. Due to these protests, he, along with his followers and many other freedom fighters, served their time in prison. Gandhiji was not just a thinker, he was able to change the world and lead India to freedom because of his courage and ability to put his principles into practice. A pivotal and defining element of Gandhism is Satya, which means truth or what actually is. Gandhi preached the concept of experimenting with truth, a phrase that also formed the subtitle to his autobiography. He taught how to learn through trial and error, often admitting to mistakes and changing one's behavior accordingly. Non-violence of truthfulness is the root cause of any corruption in society. Gandhi believed that there is no religion higher than truth. Ahimsa teaches us the path of non-violence and it implies an active and positive sense of love. According to Gandhiji, truth and non-violence are the two sides of the same coin. The next principle is Sarvodaya or welfare for all. The basic fundamental teaching of Vedic science is also based on Sarvodaya. Gandhiji found in it a composite concept of social welfare and economic justice. His adoption of Khadi was intended to help eradicate the evils of poverty and social and economic discrimination. Today, as we go about our lives, let's remember and honor his philosophy by treating people with respect and equality without any prejudice and not conform to violence even at our worst. Let's lead a life of peace by following the path of non-violence. Happy Gandhi Jayanti. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Indeed, Gandhi was a man of strong will. Thank you, Soumya ma'am, for the impressive PowerPoint presentation. Gandhiji profoundly said, cleanliness is next to godliness. In these times of the pandemic, maintaining cleanliness of not just our body, but also of our homes and surroundings is of high priority.
dum damakega India. Cham chamkega India.
अब उठो देश के भाग जगाने हैं हमको,
निर्मल निर्मल कुछ गीत रचाने हैं हमको। अब उठो देश के भाग जगाने हैं हमको,
निर्मल निर्मल कुछ गीत रचाने हैं हमको।
बनकर धारा बहना है हमको डगर डगर,
बस्ती बस्ती गांव गली और हर एक नगर नगर,
स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे,
स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे,
जगमग जगमग सी जोत जागी रे,
स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे, दमकेगा इंडिया, चमकेगा इंडिया।
जिद पे आ जाए देश मेरा फिर देखना तुम, कोना कोना जगमग जगमग होना ही है।
जिद पे आ जाए देश मेरा, देश मेरा, देश मेरा फिर देखना तुम।
With their splendid efforts, our students put these words of Gandhiji into practice by cleaning and beautifying the school campus. Thank you, students. As we come to a close, it is with the spirit of thanks that I acknowledge the valued presence of our dearest principal, vice principal, coordinators, teaching and non-teaching staff and students. To joyfully quote Bapu's words, may the work of your hands be a sign of gratitude and reverence to the human condition. Thank you and wish you a pleasant day ahead. Thank you everyone.